Okay, now we'll continue our electrostatics.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we discussed the unit vector thing, how to find a unit vector. So I will give you 3 points. We will do one more question, but we did not do any numbering, right? For these
Yes.
finding unit vector, we did not give any numbers to them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, so we don't give any number to this, just take the question, find the unit vector. One question today we will do on finding unit vector, and again we'll jump into electrostatics.
I just gave numbering to the questions that you gave in the end. I mean, 1, 2, 3 only from starting.
Okay, if you have given numbering, then you can give some four, but our questions that we are doing in electrostatics has different numbering, right?
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes,
8
sir.
questions or something, we'll see.
Yeah,
So
sir.
So positive charge at point A, and the coordinates of this point A is -20, -2 comma 5. Negative charge at point B, and coordinates of this is 4 comma 4. Point C, positive charge is placed at point C, and so you don't okay, find the unit vector also, it will be a good exercise.
Yes,
What will
sir.
this coordinate be? 3 comma -3. So what do we have to find? We have to find unit vector AB cap, BC cap, and CA cap. Find these unit vectors and find the force on A due to B. So we will get magnitude on A due to B times, what should we write over here is what you have to tell. Similarly, find the force on A due to C. FAC. Again, what we should write over here. And the last one is find the force on C due to B. Magnitude FCB bar times, what should we write? So first you finish off solving the entire problem and then give the answer. Okay, I will write it. Okay, so AB cap is basically 6I cap minus J cap divided by square root of 6 square plus 1 square.
Yes, sir.
BC cap is minus I cap minus 7J cap divided by under root of 50.
Yes, sir.
And CA cap is minus 5I cap plus 8J cap divided by square root of 5 square plus 8 square.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now find the force on A. So I'll draw the
AB cap. Yes, sir.
okay, AB cap. So I'll draw the lines first, right? So unlike charges, we will have attraction. Like charges, we will have repulsion. Unlike charges, we will have attraction. On A due to B is from A to B, so it is AB cap. Correct. Next,
Minus AC cap.
on A due to C is minus AC cap. basically in that direction.
Hmm.
And on C due to B,
CB cap.
we can write CB cap.
Hmm.
Good. So now we'll jump into our questions of electrostatics again. What is the question number?
8, sir.
8. I'll solve the question number 8 first, then you take it
And
down.
9.
9.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
solve the question number 9 first, then you take it down. Then
Okay.
you solve the question number 10th by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is question number 9? I am using 2 charges only for 9th and 10th. From 11th we will go for 3 charges. So this is x-axis, y-axis. X-axis and y-axis are in terms of kilometers. Let us choose 2 points -1, 1 is point A, and it has a plus 30 microcoulomb charge.
Yes, sir.
Then I have another point B whose coordinate is 3, 5, and it has a negative charge of 20 microcoulomb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question is, find force on B due to A. I want you to first look at how I am solving, then you solve. Okay. Next one you solve by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want, like in the definition of Coulomb's law, we had R bar and R. That means I want position vector in terms of I cap j cap, that is unit vector, and I want the magnitude of the distance between them also. So magnitude of AB bar is going to be square root of 3 plus 1 is 4 square plus
Plus
4
4.
square, 4 root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll just give you one imaginative perspective also over here. What I do is, in our school graphs we have lines, right, along x-axis, y-axis,
Hmm.
have vertical lines, horizontal lines. We take a scale, draw it.
Hmm.
Now those small lines I tend to imagine from here. And what I do is that if I want AB, then I'll go horizontal first and then vertical.
Yes, sir.
So from -1 to 3 I have to take 4 steps, and from 1 to 5 I have to take 4 steps. Right angle triangle for root 2.
Hmm.
Right angled isosceles triangle. That way also we can do, depends on how we are more comfortable with what. So that way also I do some questions, this way also I do some. Now what is AB cap? Simply AB cap is, see, now I am interested in AB cap.
4 I cap
4 I cap plus
plus
4
4
J cap
J.
divided by 4 root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So unit vector is nothing but I cap plus J cap
J
divided.
cap by root 2.
Okay, we got the direction, we got the distance between them. Now first I will be interested on force magnitude on B due to A. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught,
Hmm.
correct? And what is the product 30 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb. I am not substituting any minus sign because I am interested in only magnitude. 4 root 2 whole square. Fine.
Yes, sir.
I'll get some magnitude from here, right?
Hmm.
Eventually, I'm interested in direction. Force on B due to A. Now tell me, is it from A to B or B to A? According to you.
A to B.
A to B.
Sorry, it's force on B. It should be B to A.
So that's why I always say, even if I am a faculty, irrespective of that, I tend to go for drawing these arrows. Why? Because it is a very easily confusing situation. I will also
Yes.
get confused. That's the reason I draw these lines so that now I am comfortable. On B, what is the arrow? BA cap.
Yes, sir.
So simply the magnitude of the vector which I'll get from here into unit vector, I have to substitute it. BA cap. I know AB cap. I can substitute BA cap easily, right?
Yes, sir.
The minus sign. Is this clear?
Hmm.
Okay, I'll substitute also and just show you how we usually write the answers and all. So this is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into what is all this story, 600 divided by 32 into 10 to the power minus 12, correct?
Yes, sir.
9 6 are 54. So 5400 divided by 32 into 10 to the power minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
If we divide 54 with 2, we will get 27, right?
Hmm.
So the best I can get is 27 by 16 into 10 to the power minus 1.
Some 1.6.
Or simply just write it as 27 by 160 also, right? We can write it like this.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Newton. I'll keep it like that, not dividing anything anymore. I'll just substitute 27 by 160, and here I'll substitute minus sign. I have substituted I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. So final answer I will give Newton. So final answer I will give it as what? Minus 27 by 160 root 2 times I cap plus j cap. This is the force vector, Newton. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Done?
I have to write.
Yeah, I mean, understood.
Yes, sir.
Take it down. Now I will give the next question, which is the 10th question, right?
Yes, sir.
I want you to solve it completely from top to bottom without asking anything by yourself. Axis, y axis. Let us take 2 points. Point A is 5 comma 1 and point B is minus 4 comma 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
minus 4 comma 4. Take the charge over here as minus 50 microcoulomb. Take the charge over here as 30 microcoulomb plus 30 microcoulomb. Find force on A due to B.
Sir,
I will
I
solve it.
I
Okay,
got it. Yes,
I
sir.
understood. So I will solve it and just see if what you're getting is same as what I'm getting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we need force on A due to B. So directions, because positive and negative charges, unlike charges, attraction, it will be in that direction. Now one thing I want to tell over here is that if we are interested in the direction, in the unit vector along this direction, I will start from here, and from 5 I will go to -4. That means 9 units I am going left. -9 I cap, and from 1 to 3 I cap, right? So -9 I cap plus 3 j cap, sorry, divided by square root of 9 square plus 27 is 80, 9 square plus 9. 9 square plus 3 square, which is 81, plus 9 is 90.
Yes, sir.
Root 90 is what? This is the unit vector that we are interested in. We will directly substitute the unit vector here. So I am directly writing the force vector form: 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1 is 30 microcoulomb, Q2 is 50 microcoulomb, divided by, distance between them is root 90, square is 90, correct?
Yes, sir.
Into unit vector is -9 I cap plus 3 j cap divided by root 90, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we just have to simplify this fellow. 9, this becomes 10, 5 3s are 15, 15. I'll take 1 3 common also from there, okay? And I will write this as 3 root 10. I'll write this 90 as 3 root 10, okay?
Yes, sir.
So take a look. I am writing 10 powers. 10 power 9, this is 10,
4.
4, 5, -1. This comes up -2. 10 power -2, and in brackets I have -3 I cap plus 4 plus j cap.
Yes, sir.
Here also 3 3 will get cancelled. So we can write 15 by 100 root 10 times -3 I cap plus j cap Newton. This is the final answer. Did you get the same thing?
I did calculation mistakes, sir.
Okay. Take it down. See, anyways, later on you will solve it in your at your home after your exams and stuff. So take the solution down so that at least in future you should know what is the right solution, right?
Sir, I wrote.
This was question number 10, 11. What is this?
10, sir.
10. We will take 3 charges now in question number 11. What is the time?
4:10. I mean 4:12.
We have a lot of time. So I will solve one question, then you solve another question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Question number 11th, right?
Yes, sir.
I will solve this one. You look at the thing, just 2 charges. We are going to do 3 charges. Simple. And we will take the points also on x-axis and y-axis to make it even more easy. So let the
Sir,
point.
take it in meters, sir.
Oh, because kilometer 10 to the power 3. Yeah, you are right. Remove the k from those questions in the question.
Yes, sir.
The point A, let us take it as, so x and y are in meters. Let us take A as minus 3 comma 0, B as plus 3 comma 0, and let us take a point C as 0 comma 10. Randomly I'm taking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us take the charges now. I don't want to play much with numbers. I'll put the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught also as k only. So let the charge over here be q, and over here also I am taking the charge. All three are positive charges. Positive charges. So on positive charges,
I told yes.
positive charges, the direction will be here and here, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here in this question, how we can solve is that because the values of charges is also same. See in general, what is our Coulomb's law is Q1 Q2 by R square, right?
Yes, sir.
Only thing is this basically force is a vector physical quantity. So when it comes to vector form of it, we have to be careful. If you look at the scalar form of it, magnitude of this particular thing, all three charges are same. Now look at the distance also. This is actually a isosceles triangle. This is
Yes,
3,
sir.
this is 10, this is 3, this is 10.
Hmm.
So obviously these distances are also same. So the magnitude of the forces are the same. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let me take the force due to each charge be F and F. Point number 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is, let me join this line and let this angle be theta. So if that angle is theta, this angle is theta.
Yes, sir.
In vectors, we know we can divide it into components. Here I can write it as F sine theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, due to the left force in this direction, due to symmetry, we will have F sine theta.
Hmm.
These two will cancel each other.
Yes, sir.
So the resultant force will be 2F cos theta.
Yes, sir.
I want what is cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse.
Hmm.
Hypotenuse is square root of 10 square plus 3 square, right?
Yes, sir.
So which is square root of 109.
Yes, sir.
Now, so my final answer, just look at this. The final answer I will write F net vector is equal to, first thing is magnitude. What is the magnitude? 2 times F cos theta, right? What is F?
Yes, sir.
F is k q square by 109. Root 109 whole square is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Into cos theta, and cos theta is adjacent by root 109. And all of it is towards j cap.
Yes, sir.
Because of symmetry, this question became very easy. So final answer, what I will write, 20 by 109 root 109 kq square j cap is the final answer. Clear?
The distances are same. I mean,
yeah, everything is identical.
That's why the forces are same. I mean, from A to C and
Distance is also same, and also charges are also same.
yes, sir.
Therefore, we can do this identical story. Okay,
Yes, sir.
take it down. So here we have an equilateral triangle of side 8 meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have an equilateral triangle of side 8 meters and 3 identical charges plus q plus q plus q are placed at the vertices.
Yes, sir.
Let's take this vertex as the A, so this will become B and this will become C.
Yes, sir.
Taking this as I cap and this as J cap, find the resultant force on A due to B and C. Now, purposefully I have not drawn any x-axis, y-axis here, and individually take this direction as I cap and J cap.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do, draw x-axis from here, draw y-axis from the center, from the midpoint,
Yes, sir.
because anyways it is given, it is equilateral triangle. So in terms of I cap and J cap, if you take this as the origin, midpoint as the origin of BC,
Yes,
question
sir.
become very easy.